Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTS for Mini, and I'm gonna show you how to control music on your phone with this watch. Before we start, if you want to control music on your phone with this watch, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Zepp application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now, for example, we can open something like play some music on our phone. So I'm gonna open YouTube and play some playlist. For example, let's tap on search and type in, and I'll copy, right, playlist, tap on search, and play this. Start playing, okay. And now the playlist is going. We can go to our watch, wake up the screen on it by pressing the side button, and once you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu, then scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen and find the music option. Tap on it to open the music app, and the watch should detect that you're playing music on your phone. As you can see, now we can control it. We can tap on play and pause button to play and pause the music. We can tap on next or previous buttons to go to the next song or go to the previous song, like this. Or we can also tap on the speaker icon to adjust the sound volume, like that. And then we can press the side button to go back. And that's about all. You can play, pause, skip, go forward or go backwards, and adjust the sound volume. And once you're done, you can press the side button to basically go back to watch face. And that's how you control the music on your phone with this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.